back to Pilipinas Got Talent. You know what? Voting is officially over at ang matinding tanong, sino sa ating 6 semi-finalists ang nakakuha ng maraming votes mula sa mga kapamilya natin from all over the country and of course, all over the world.
That is right, Billy Boy. Sa inyong 6, 3 ang masasabi nating nakakuha ng yes ng taong bayan.
Yes, at tinulungan tayo ng SGV and Company para ma-validate ang tabulation of votes para sa semi-finalists natin this week.
Ang 3 pangalan na yan, babanggitin ko na ngayon in no particular order. Contestants, are you ready? Everyone ready? In no particular order, once again. Please step forward. Rolando P.
Please step forward, Rolando.
Rolando, please step forward. Kaya pa?
Sa tingin ko kaya.
Moving on, once again to the rest, good luck. Please step forward and join Rolando. Please step forward. Ruther!
As you can tell, Luis, tension-filled right now. This is it.
And last but definitely not the least, please join Ruther and Rolando P. Please step forward. Jovit!
Congratulations, kayong tatlo ang nanguna sa votes for this week. Pero, ang tanong, this is the most important question actually tonight, sino ang nag-top sa votes?
Pero bagong lahat, of course, we would like to thank the rest of our contestants.
Thank you so much.
Snap Boys, Baguio Siblings, Sacred Cultural Dance Group. Thank you very much for sharing your time and talent with Pilipinas Got Talent. Thank you very much. Ngayon naman, ang pangalan na sasabihin ko ay ang act na nakakuha ng pinakamataas na boto mula sa text and online voting. Once again, ito yung pinakamataas. Ang ibig sabihin lang naman yan, automatic, pasok na siya sa grand finals.
That's right.
Once again, the act who gets the highest votes ay makakasama natin sa grand finals.
Yep.
I think everything's set. Are you excited, Billy Boy?
I'm very excited. Kayo ba? Excited na kayo? Tandaan nyo, kung sino pinakamataas na votes,
Pasok na.
will go to the grand finals.
Good luck, Rolando, Ruther, and Jovit.
Good luck.
Ang nakakuha ng highest votes at makakasama natin sa grand finals, congratulations!
Who will it be, Luis?
Congratulations, Jovit!
Luis.
Wow.
80%.
That's a lot of votes.
Ngayon, we have to move on with this competition.
Fit, who got 80% of the votes. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa buong Pilipinas?
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa akin. Lalo-lalo na po sa mga TFC.
Taas sa fans mo.
Tsaka po sa Joe Binatics Fans Club.
Okay, mga kapamilya, let me introduce to you ang unang 2 finalists natin. We have Jovit and Ruther.
Congratulations,
At
guys.
pasok kayo sa Grand Finals, which will happen on June 12 and 13. At syempre, ito po naging results ng voting natin for this week.